Am I your first English friend?
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Terry. I am a content creator and videographer. So in the last couple of weeks, I've been visiting my home city, Sydney, with some of my new friends that I met online. We visited some of my favorite cafes as well as the best photo and video spots for the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. So if you want to know where they are, make sure to stay tuned. Let's get right into it. What is up, man? Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, dude.
This is James. We met through Instagram after he DM'd me about one of my YouTube videos. That's when I realized he's also a creator too. And I just love how vibrant and genuine his energy felt. Towards the end of last year, he messaged saying that he'll be moving to Sydney and asked if I wanted to meet up. Obviously, it's yes. I'd do the same thing if I were moving to London. So here we are.
It's so good to be with someone else who likes making content, because when I'm with my friends, it's just oh, he's getting the camera out again. People want to be in it.
Same. That's how I feel too. That's why I never really film my friends, because I don't know how they would feel.
Am I your first English friend?
Yes.
Oh,
You're
great.
my first English friend.
Wicked. So where are you from originally?
Originally, I came from Hong Kong. And for the next half an hour or so, we were just getting to know each other. I don't know if this is a good mentality or not, but knowing someone else who has the same struggle as you just makes you feel less lonely in some sort of way. Waiting to get our croissants.
Gonna get some nice pastries and another coffee. That looks so good.
All their pastries are pretty good.
They all look amazing. Look at the size of that cookie. Are you on a diet or are you happy to eat?
I'm happy to eat anything.
You go first.
Whoa, look at
look at that.
crispy.
So that was the
Brisket pie.
brisket pie.
Whoa, look at that.
So we're going to tuck in now. How is it? Good? Smells good.
So good. So buttery and smooth.
Yeah.
A little bit warm, a bit hotter, but it's really soft and crispy.
This is the hazelnut chocolate croissant. First bite.
Well, I wish you
Oh, really good.
How much out of 10?
I'd say 7.5. A little bit crispy.
Yeah.
Not as soft as you'd want it to be for a croissant, but
Yeah.
the hazelnut chocolate inside makes up for it. That's more like it. That's the size that we want, isn't it?
Second coffee of the day.
Second coffee of the day. Cheers. To your new English friend.
Yeah, to my new English friend, James.
Can you explain, please? Paramount
This
Pictures?
is the old Paramount Pictures offices. That's why it's called Paramount House. I don't think it's the office anymore.
And the whole time I've been here, I visited this cafe for so many times and I didn't have a clue.
It's only till I showed you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, like sculpture. You're standing by the sculpture.
Oh, that's probably QVB, which is on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, like a
You'll have
couple
to
of
send me
streets.
the location.
Yeah.
That's a cool shot. I wanna
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah. So we're at the cathedral. To be honest, I've been here for so long and I don't even know what this landmark is. Yeah.
It's hard to remember all the names.
I think we're almost there after this hill and we should be there. There we are. So this is Mrs. Macquarie's chair. It has the best view if you're trying to get the Harbour Bridge and the Opera House in one shot.
Very soft.
Yeah.
So this is one of the many open-air cinemas in Sydney. This is the one with the paint.
So now we're just taking taking the ferry to Wilson's Point to check out Luna Park in Kirribilli.
Get a photo with the clown. Is it a clown or is it something else?
Clown, yeah.
It's a clown, yeah. There it is. So weird seeing it in person.
Very busy today because it's still in the midst of holiday.
Spot number 3. This looks like it. Oh, look at the zoom on that bad boy.
Yeah. 18 to 50 mil, Sigma, number 1.
Osmo Pocket 3.
Number 2.
Number 2. Yeah, your special aero
Thank you.
latte.
Ooh, wow, nice.
Finally got a caramel latte somewhere.
Yeah, you don't get that often here.
Yeah, there's been a few places where they're like, we don't do the syrups.
Yeah, we drink real coffee here.
Real coffee, right? Fake coffee up there.
Jokes.
Good to go.
Good.
Oh, it's a small little sipper. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
A little bit of sweetness.
Yeah.
What did she say it was? A special...
Some froth, like similar to long black, she said,
Right.
but made it in a different way, I think. I like drinking, black coffee.
It's good.
Good, yeah, it's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's very good.
Otherwise, we refund you.
No, it's fine.
No.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you.
Ooh, done pretty well. How many have you got?
11K. Not bad.
11k?
Yeah.
Look at that.
What have you been doing? This is the path. Secret garden? I think so. That is why it's a secret garden. You can hardly see the pathway.
We walked straight past it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Wendy's secret garden. Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah.
Down the rabbit hole. What type of bird is that?
Australian bird. Kookaburra? Yeah, that's a kookaburra.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one of the, should I say national bird? Like one of the most famous breed.
Well, that's dinner sorted, isn't it?
Taking a break after having a walk around the Wendy's secret garden.
We need a rest. I've done 16,000 steps today. Yeah. You've got some work to do to catch up.
Yeah. Why are my steps count so much lower?
Well, I arrived early, so I was walking around before you came, so I've ramped up the steps.
After the Wendy's secret garden, we went across the tunnel to the Lavendar Bay Wharf, another one of my favorite spots for the harbour bridge. I love how the wharf forms a natural frame for the view. Apart from that, you get this chillax water view along with some screaming over at Luna Park. Next, we arrive at our final destination of the day, which is Mary Booth Lookout Reserve. I actually found out about this spot from other creators. I saw it from other videos and it looks super cool, so I just went Google mapping to see where this spot is. I think that's one of the best ways to find your filming locations. Yeah, my pleasure. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Yeah. Bye. And that's a wrap. Honestly, it was just so nice to be meeting with other like-minded people, and how good it was to be able to explore my own city like this. I think as time goes on, we tend to take these things for granted, but I'm glad I was able to take a step back and enjoy the view. So thank you, James, for taking me around. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.